Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to show you how to prepare special benne masala dosa along with that special potato palya coconut chutney. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Now I am preparing restaurant style benne masala dosa. For that I have taken dosa rice. Today I am using 2 cups of dosa rice. Now I am adding 1 cup. And 1 more cup. 2 cups of dosa rice. You can see dosa rice will be like this. You will get it in all supermarkets, big bazaar, everywhere. If we use this dosa rice, you will get the texture as same as restaurant style. In the same measuring cup, I have taken 1/4 cup of urud dal. Along with that, I am adding 2 tablespoons of chana dal and 1 spoon of methi. And in the same measuring cup, I have taken half cup of thick poha. Once again, I am going to show you the measurements. 2 cups of dosa rice, 1/4 cup of urad dal, 2 spoons of chana dal, 1 spoon of methi, and half cup of thick poha. It's afternoon around 1 o'clock. I am going to wash this and soak it in water. Evening, I will show you what to do with the soaked ingredients. Now you can see it's evening. Here you can see the rice which is soaked, and here methi, chana dal and urad dal, and here poha. Now I am going to grind this. For mixer jar, I am adding soaked methi, urad dal and chana dal. Along with this, I am adding soaked thick poha. Now by adding water, I will make a paste. Now you can see I have grinded it like this. I have done a fine paste. Now I am transferring it to a bowl. Take one big bowl and after grinding it, transfer it to big bowl. For the same mixer jar, I am adding soaked rice. Now by adding little water, I will make fine paste. Now after grinding rice, it looks like this. I have done fine paste. Now I am going to transfer it to same bowl. And it's evening around 6 o'clock. I am grinding all the ingredients. And today I am not going to share you how to do the batter fermentation. I have shared it in my previous videos. I will attach the link. You can check it. And it's summer. The batter will ferment easily. Now I am going to mix this. And now I am not going to add salt or anything. I won't use soda for batter, dosa batter. And tomorrow morning I'm going to share you the tricks to get the dosa as same as restaurant style. So please watch complete video without skipping. Now you can see after mixing it, I will close the plate and I will allow it to ferment. And tomorrow morning I will open it and I will show you how the dosa batter looks like. Now for preparing potato palya, I have taken 3 potatoes. I have cut it into half and I am transferring it to cooker. I will pressure cook for 1 whistle. I am adding water. and little salt. Close the lid and I will pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Now for preparing potato palya, I have taken pan. I have added little oil, mustard, jeera, chana dal and little urad dal. Now I am adding 1 chopped onion and 3 finely chopped green chilies, curry leaf and little salt so that onion will cook very fast. Now once the onion is cooked, I am adding turmeric powder. Today I am preparing potato palya in different way, so I am adding half chopped capsicum. If you don't want this, you can skip this also. And also you can add boiled American sweet corn. If you have fresh green peas, you can add that also. Today I am preparing it by using only capsicum. Once the capsicum is cooked, now I am going to add boiled and smashed potato. Today I am using 3 boiled and smashed potatoes. Now I am mixing this. Along with that I am adding salt for taste. I am adding little water and again I will mix this. Now I am adding grated coconut and chopped coriander. And again I will mix this. Now special potato palya for special Vende masala dosa is ready. Now for preparing red chutney, I have taken here 5 to 6 badgi chilies and I have added little water. Now I am going to boil this. The chilies should become soft. Now you can see it's boiling. If you touch, it's going inside and chilies are also soft. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to boil. And you can prepare this red chutney and you can store it in airtight container and you can use it whenever you are preparing dosa. You can store it for around 1 month. Now the chilies are also soft. Now I'll switch off the stove. And this water, no need to waste this. While grinding the chutney, if we need water, we can add this water also. Now for mixer jar, I am transferring the boiled chilies. For this I am adding little fried grams and I am adding one raw onion, few garlic and small piece of ginger, and now I am adding tamarind juice around 2 spoons and salt for taste. Now I am going to grind this. I am adding little jeera. Now I am going to grind this. Now you can see I have done a fine paste. Now red chutney is ready. Now for preparing coconut chutney, I have roasted 3 green chilies, 2 garlics and little curry leaf, and I am adding 1 small piece of ginger and freshly grated coconut. You can even add mint also. Little fried grams, pinch of sugar for taste, and salt for taste. Now I'll grind this. Once it is grinded like this, now I am adding coriander. If you want, you can add tamarind juice. Today I am using lemon juice. Now I am adding lemon juice. I will grind this again. Now coconut chutney is ready. You can see morning dosa batter is fermented very well. Now I am going to mix this. You can see the fermentation also. You can see the bubbles which are formed due to fermentation. Now I am going to transfer it to separate bowl which I need for my morning breakfast. One trick of getting masala dosas as same as restaurant style is by adding sugar. It gives the caramelized texture to masala dosa. So I am adding sugar. Today I am using 2 spoons of sugar. Now I will mix this and I will keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. And while preparing dosa, I will add salt. Now I am not going to add salt. As it is summer, the batter is fermented very well. You can see the bubbles also. It's very soft. The dosa batter is very soft. So I am going to mix little rice flour. Today I am using around 2 spoons of rice flour and I am mixing it with water. This rice flour mixture, I am going to mix it with my dosa batter so that we will get the crispy texture of dosa. Again I am going to mix this. Now dosa batter is ready. Before preparing dosa, I am adding salt for dosa batter. As per taste, we can add salt. Now I'll mix this. Now dosa batter is ready. Now for preparing dosa, my dosa tawa is already heated. I am sprinkling with cold water and I am wiping it to remove the excess oil content. If there is any oil content, you won't get crispy texture. So we need to remove it like this. Once that tawa is also heated, I am going to transfer the prepared dosa batter onto tawa. As I am preparing special benne masala dosa, I am using butter. If you want, you can add ghee or oil also. Here I have butter. Today I am using homemade butter. Now I am adding butter. Butter, how much you need, you can add it. It's started melting. You can see dosa is fully loaded with butter. Now I am going to add the prepared red chutney. And now in the center I am placing prepared special potato palya. You can see the melted butter also. Now dosa is cooked. You can see here it's changed golden browning color. Now I am folding it. You can see the texture also. I will show you another dosa. Once the tawa is heated, wipe it with water to remove the excess oil content and then pour the prepared dosa batter. Now I am adding butter. By using spatula, you can spread the butter. Now I am applying red chutney. Now I am placing potato palya. Now you can see special benne masala dosa is ready. I have kept butter separately because it's very hot, it will melt. While eating we can apply that, and then coconut chutney. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.